Good morning, all. So, in the previous lectures, we learned various components of PLC and we learn in depth what is the role of each components like input module, output module, processor, memory, power supply. One more device that is remaining and is nothing but programming device. So, what is the role of programming device in case of your PLC? So, there will not be any question asked in the examination like this, what is the role of programming device, but as a introductory part, you must be able to explain what is the role of programming device. So, what is PLC? So, PLC is nothing but the programmable controller. Means we required some device in through which we can enter the program or we can upload the program in what in your PLC, and such device through which we can upload program, we can prepare the program. So, we required some device or some equipment through which we can enter program in PLC, and that is called programming device. So, suppose if you want to control the operation of one machine, so what we will do, we will develop the logic. So, logic is what? Let us take this simple example. See, this we will see in detail when you see the programming or fundamentals of programming. This is just awareness to you what is the role of programming device. So, suppose I want to prepare or I want to develop one logic. So, logic is what? NO contact, NC contact. So, B motor should not on unless A on, that or any direct online logic. So, let us take that circuit. So, it required NO contact, it required NC contact, is it? So, that NO contact and NC contact are available in this device in the form of soft contact. It is just symbols available in that device. So, we will select the symbol and connect in the form of a line that is called rung, that we will see in detail. So, this programming device is the media to prepare the logic circuit and upload in the PLC. Simple. Now, we already learned this PLC can run in different modes like program mode, then test mode, run mode. So, these are the mode which you should select with the help of this programming device. So, this programming device is connected to the your PLC and it is specially designed for PLC, and this programming device will not be useful anywhere other than PLC. So, this is the function of programming device. So, it is given page number 310, 12.8. If simple question may be asked for 2 marks, what is the role of programming device and what are the types of programming device? So, basically there are dedicated desktop programmers, handheld programmers and computer programmers. Computer programmers or personal computer can be used to upload the program in PLC. So, this dedicated desktop programmer, handheld programmer and computer, these are the different programming devices in case of PLC. Now, this handheld terminal and this dedicated program are old age devices. Now, we can use PC, personal computer. So, see page number 310, 12.8. What is programming device? Programming device is the console for the PLC, means it is specially designed for PLC. PLC is operated in different modes like programming mode, run mode, test mode. Through the programming device, it is the programming device through which all this mode can be obtained. Okay, that program is entered into the PLC memory. Editing and troubleshooting of an existing program in PLC memory is also done through the programming device. Suppose if you prepare the program, upload in the PLC, and if you keep the PLC in test mode and you find there is some mistake, then again with the help of this programming device you can edit the program. Once the program has been entered into the PLC is brought into run mode. The programming device may be disconnected. So, programming device is only connected to change in the program or upload the program. When uploading is over, you can remove the programming terminal detached from the PLC, and PLC will work independently. It is not necessary for the programming device to be connected for the PLC to operate, but it can be used to monitor the PLC program while the program is running. Means suppose समजा तुम्ही प्रोग्रामिंग डिवाइस PLCला कनेक्ट करून ठेवला आणि प्रोग्राम चालू आहे, मशीन ऑपरेशन सुरू आहे, तर तुम्हाला त्या प्रोग्रामिंग डिवाइसच्या टर्मिनलवर डिस्प्ले होतं की काय काय होतं आहे. which motor is on, M1 on, M2 on, ते contact display होतात. So if you want to see the working of program, you can see through this programming device. Programming devices are also called programmable, can be called programmer, and can be of handheld type, dedicated desktop type, or computer, and can be used or computer can be used as a programming device. Each of the above programmer has its own advantage and disadvantage. So these are the three different types of programming devices available in the market. So this dedicated desktop programmer, just go through this, just read this 12.8.1. this is just like computer. I will explain you now. Another one is handheld programmer. A handheld programmer means it is just like your calculator, it is just like your mobile. Now in that age there was not mobile, so in the book it is not written like mobile. It is just like a mobile, or it is just like a calculator in which there is a in your calculator there is 1 2 3 sine, cos, theta. These are the keys. Here keys are like contact, NC contact, symbol of timer, counter. These are the keys on the handheld programming device. So handheld programmers resemble like calculator in appearance and is only slightly bigger than calculator. Okay, they are most suitable for installation where control functions have to be changed frequently. So this handheld programmerचा रोल कसा आहे की कम्प्युटर कॅन बी यूज, पण कम्प्युटरमध्ये कसं आहे की तुम्ही प्रोग्राम एका डेस्कटॉपवर बसून किंवा लॅपटॉपवर बसून तुम्ही प्रोग्राम तयार केला. मग प्रोग्राम तयार केल्यानंतर त्याला अपलोड करण्यासाठी तुम्ही PLC पर्यंत कम्प्युटरला घेऊन गेला किंवा PLC ला आणलं डेस्कटॉपपर्यंत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये अपलोड केलं आणि PLC जागेवर कनेक्ट केली. आता इन दॅट व्हेन देअर वॉज अ PLC, so at that time laptop was very there, so desktop was there. तर मग PLC ला आपण डेस्कटॉप जर घेऊन यायचो, प्रोग्राम अपलोड करायचो आणि PLC ला घेऊन तिथे फिट करून टाकायचो, जागेवर इन्स्टॉल करून टाकायचं. ओके, पण आता समजा एखाद्या प्रोग्राममध्ये तुम्हाला चेंज करायचं आहे, मग तुम्ही डेस्कटॉप परत PLC कडून डेस्कटॉप जवळ आणणार का नाही. सो इन दॅट केस दिस हँडहेल्ड टर्मिनल आर व्हेरी युजफुल. पण ह्या हँडहेल्ड टर्मिनलचे काही लिमिटेशन्स होते. काय लिमिटेशन्स होते की स्क्रीन छोटा होता आणि मग समजा एक लाईन तुम्ही प्रोग्रामची तयार केली, मग दुसरी लाईन, तिसरी लाईन, समजा तुमचा 10 लाईनचा प्रोग्राम तयार झाला. सो ऑल द 10 लाईन्स कॅन नॉट view on the screen. That is the limitation. So in that case it will take time from top to bottom, म्हणजे पहिल्या लाईन पासून शेवटच्या लाईन पर्यंत प्रोग्रामच्या येण्यासाठी it will take time. So that these are the limitations of the handheld programmer. And now laptop and this your notepad or your small mobiles are very much user friendly and you can program by using these devices. So the main function of the handheld programmer is that it has limited display capability. Some handheld programmer display a rung of logic with up to 4 horizontal line. म्हणजे सांगितलं काय, फक्त 4-5 लाईन आपण बघू शकतो, त्याच्यानंतर बघता येत नाही. while other display only one line and some do not display any rung at all. एकाच वेळेस तुम्ही सर्व रंग बघू शकत नाही. The location of the cursor in the program in such programmer is made out of it is just like LED cursor. कर्सर कसं LED किंवा LCDचं कर्सर ज्यामध्ये असायचं, जे जसं आपल्या कॉम्प्युटरवर कसं कर्सर असतं, असं कर्सर तिथे LED किंवा LCD कर्सर was there. The handheld programmer takes more time to go through the program, one contact or one rung at a time, and also more keystones are required to enter the program. So this is the handheld programmer. So and another one is the computer. So computer is in the as everyone knows very well. So there is a card in your PLC, that is the communication card which can communicate with PLC to PC. And in some computer there is a PLC manufacturer has developed their software. That software is need to be uploaded in the computer, and then with the help of that software you will prepare the program, and then you will upload that program from the computer to your PLC. And same like you can keep the PLC through the computer in program mode, in run mode, in test mode, whatever you require. You can clear the program from the computer and you can see the whole program on the screen of the computer. That is the advantage of computer. And at the same time you can delete the program and edit the program very easily. So personal computer or computer programmer is one of the another tool to upload the program or develop the program. So this is about the programming devices. So